Title: Bonafide Plea of Juvenility. Bonafide refers to something that is genuine, sincere, or made in good faith, without intent to deceive or defraud. Recently, the Supreme Court, while dismissing an appeal challenging the decision of the Punjab and Haryana High Court, held that a plea of juvenility must be raised in a bona fide and truthful manner. The court emphasized that if a document of dubious nature is used to seek juvenility, the accused cannot be considered a juvenile, despite the Juvenile Justice, Care and Protection of Children, Act, 2000, JJ Act, being a beneficial legislation. Rule of Section 7A equals juvenile offenders, below 18 years, are protected under the JJ Act, and under Section 7E, an accused person can raise the claim of juvenility before any court at any stage, even after the final disposal of the case. The juvenile justice system deals with children who have come into conflict with the law or need care and protection. In India, anyone below the age of 18 is considered a juvenile. A minor is someone who has not attained full legal responsibility, while a juvenile is a minor involved in an offense or in need of care and protection. Rule of age 7 equals $. Incapax no, any child below the age of 7 cannot be convicted of a crime due to the doctrine of $incapax, which means they are incapable of forming intent to commit a crime. The main objective is to rehabilitate young offenders and give them a second chance because their brains are not fully developed, and they lack a complete understanding of right and wrong. Contributing factors include poor parenting, abuse, unsupervised environments, and negative influences from media and society. The Children Act of 1960 prohibited the imprisonment of children and aimed to provide care, education, and rehabilitation for their well-being. Juvenile Justice Act, 1986 provided uniformity across the Children Act and aligned India's juvenile justice standards with the 1959 United Nations Declaration on the Rights of the Child. Juvenile Justice, Care and Protection of Children, Act, 2000. It replaced the 1986 Act, introducing updated terminology like conflict with the law and need care and protection to better reflect modern juvenile care approaches. Conflict with the law are handled by the Juvenile Justice Board. Juveniles in need of care and protection are managed by the Child Welfare Committee. The 2015 Act allowed juveniles between 16 and 18 involved in heinous crimes to be treated as adults. United Nations Convention on the Rights of the Child, UNC, National Commission for Protection of Child Rights, NCPCR, 2005. Protection of Children from Sexual Offences, POCSO, Act, 2013. Child Labour, Prohibition and Regulation, Act, 2016. Conclusion: the plea of juvenility, while a vital safeguard under the Juvenile Justice Act, must be invoked genuinely and truthfully. Robust framework of protection.